Lumivyx Tanning Gummies are marketed as a simple way to achieve a sun-kissed glow without tanning beds, sprays, or sun exposure. But the real question is, do the negative reviews tell the whole story, or is there actually something worth buying here? Now, to be fair, tanning gummies are based on a real concept. Many contain ingredients like beta-carotene and astaxanthin, which can slightly affect skin tone over time in some people. However, the results are usually subtle and far less dramatic than social media ads suggest. What it does well: easy to use. Taking gummies is certainly easier than applying self-tanner or visiting a tanning salon. May create a subtle glow for some users. Certain tanning gummy ingredients can gradually influence skin tone, although results tend to be mild. Where the hype falls apart, the negative reviews are hard to ignore. This is the biggest issue. Many customers report disappointing results, delivery problems, refund difficulties, and products not matching expectations. Results are often far weaker than advertised. Even tanning gummy supporters generally describe the effect as subtle rather than a noticeable tan. Some users report seeing no change at all. Across tanning gummy discussions, many buyers say they followed directions for weeks and noticed little to no difference. So, do the negative reviews tell you everything about Lumivyx Tanning Gummies? Short answer: they reveal a pattern that potential buyers should pay attention to. The biggest concerns appear to be customer experience, shipping reliability, and whether the results justify the cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.